Welcome, traders. Dr. Keith in for Rob. Happy Wednesday, January 8th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, folks. So again, thanks for all of you that were in the live training room today. Remember, today it started at 9:30 Eastern. It's great to see all in there. So today we had one trade at roughly, it was 9:45. I think it was 9:45 or so on gold. And so let me just show you that opportunity. So what we started looking for here, folks, was we had a has overextended here. Okay, and then you went red, yellow, back to green, back in the direction of that trend. Okay, so depending on how long folks stayed in it, this was a fantastic opportunity we had in the market. And then from there, folks, we really started getting some consolidation, right? And during that, we were kind of going over some education and training, on specifically with the prop firms and so forth. And we saw how that played out on why not to take trades after that, right? And that was fantastic. We had FOMC at 2 o'clock today. So during the morning, there was definitely some more consolidation. But in saying that, if you take a look at the NQ, early this afternoon, there were some fantastic opportunities. So let me show you. So here you can see we're back in an uptrend above the 20-period moving average. And this is what I look for, folks. This is the setup I like. Red, yellow, back to green on the Fibonacci advanced trend right here, okay? That's an entry. Stock can be below that wick. And then, again, you exit on the red dot. Again, nice little win there, okay? And then we had one before that right here where it went yellow back to green. Same scenario, okay? Same scenario. So you can get multiple opportunities with that. And then after the news hit at 2 o'clock, we had has overextended, back in the direction of the trend. Beautiful, beautiful trade there as well. Okay, so that's what I teach. If you're, again, really interested in learning some techniques on to funding, how to fund your prop firms and so forth, make sure you're attending those daily live sessions that I do it live right in front of you. Okay, all right, folks. So with that, just as a reminder, remember next week's a big week, right? We've got the Wealth Summit. And so if you go to www.wealth365//BBT, okay, make sure you register. Remember, Rob Hoffman, a 33-time international trading champion, is leading this all next week. You can look at the schedule online. Phenomenal people that are going to be doing presentations. I'll be doing 3 of them next week. Looking forward to that. But that's January 13th to 18th. And again, it's something you don't want to miss out. We do this 4 times a year, and they're best in class. Okay, lots of great education. And again, me specifically, if you're learning how to fund your prop accounts, look forward to you joining me. Others, again, just make sure that you sign up. That way you know what's going on, and you can look for your favorite presenters going into next week. So becomebettertrader.com/365. Or I'm sorry, www.wealth365.com/BBT. And I look forward to having you. Hopefully I see you again Friday morning at 9:30 Eastern for the next training event. Take care, everybody. Bye now.